Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to my channel if you're new. So today I'm going to do a flat twist out without any product in it. Yes. So my hair has been in a bun for a week and I did moisturize my hair before putting it in the bun on the first day, but I haven't moisturized my hair since. So last night, actually Friday night, I decided to detangle my hair and I said, you know what, let me try if I can achieve a nice flat twist out without any product. So I finger detangled my hair with no water. My hair was stretched. If you guys want to see how I stretched my hair heatless, let me know in the comment box down below. And I decided to try this. So this is the unraveling time. So I didn't get to show you guys the process of putting in the flat twist. So I'm gonna be using this oil to help to basically tame the frizz and give my hair a nice sheen, because as I said, there's absolutely no product. Yeah, so I'm using this oil. It's a mixture of different oils. It's a really nice oil. This is the original growth and strengthening oil therapy, and it's so good. It's such a nice oil. If you haven't tried this oil or the organic line, please try it. So I'm taking my time and just smoothing it all in so that I get minimum frizz. Um, I did not have an intention of taking out the two twists at my front, because I was thinking, I can pin it back and it could be like a half up, half down sort of style. The results were amazing, but I know the condition, the weather that I'm in right now. I live in the Caribbean, and this hair is stretched. By the time I go outside, I'll become microwave poofy hair. So just watch the video, you guys will see the results afterwards. Yes, I'm just taking on the twist, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this moment, and I'll talk to you guys at the end of the video. This is how my hair is looking afterwards, and I didn't even like that I did style it, and there will be a part 2 to show you guys how I actually style this here to go out and do my errands. So what do you guys think? Did I do good without any product? Like, did I like, wow, I think so. I do think so. So that's it guys, that's the end. As usual, don't forget to hit that thumb button, subscribe down, share, and comment. See you guys in my next video.